So first thing, you got to get the shaft in line with your forearms. Bend from the elbows. And then watch this. When I set up, I'm getting the shaft in line with the forearms. I'm going to get my arms connected to my chest right in here. Now, when I start to move my trunk, I want my eyes directly over the ball, and I want to be able to move my chest without moving. That's a good way to test to see if your eyes are over the ball. Now I'm going to see if, and you're going to practice it. Don't move your lower body when you practice at home. The putter should stay square to the arc. So what does that mean? The golf shaft is on a 71-degree angle. So when you turn your trunk, the face should open and close, and the face should stay perpendicular to the arc.
Okay.
So the putter essentially works on a slight curve. So people say, well, I thought it was supposed to be straight back and straight through. Well, no, it's not straight back and straight through. Then you would just take your left thumb and make sure the butt end of the club and your left thumb move as a unit. Notice how this ain't moving. Nothing's moving from the waist down.
Yeah, that's my problem because I just looked at myself.
Right. Well, you got to practice that in a mirror. That's not as easy as it looks.
It's not because my knees are...
So practicing disassociating one segment from another is a learned skill that you'll get better at. But that's the first step in learning. Now, in terms of the putting stroke, you can on a longer putt, you can let the putter, you can hinge a little bit and release the putter. But when you release the putter, you're turning your trunk to, and we call it vertical hinging. It's not, you're not doing this. The face is going to rotate square to the arc. And you're going to get feel from that. You're going to get a feel and a sensation. And I have a cadence in my putting stroke that goes 1, 2, 1, 2. You got to get an internal cadence. And that's like an internal metronome. So if I got a 3-foot putt, it's 1, 2. If I got a 50-foot putt, it's 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Okay.
So the amount of time never changes.
Just the distance you...
The distance I take it back and the speed of the club.